Hi, this is David here doing a review of the Pyle PDMIKT100. Since I utilize reviews a lot before I buy anything, I thought I'd provide my own review as well. So I ordered it yesterday. I got it today from Amazon. This was about $65 with this in this case. So we're just opening this up for the first time. So let's see. Oh, you can see my messy desk. It's a nice case. Pretty sturdy handle. So there's a pop filter inside. Oh, that's pretty heavy. Oh, this is pretty nice. This is pretty solid. This is metal. Okay. All right. That's it. It's pretty heavy base. This is my mic. I go through a Zoom L12 live track. And I'm using this C214 mic. It's a AKG C214. Pretty bit more expensive than the Pyle. It's a pretty nice condenser microphone, but it's a XLR mic. I wanted to get a USB mic. this. I don't think I need this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add this mic. Let's see what pops up here. Hi, so I'm going to do a quick sound test of the Pyle. This is the Pyle PDMIKT100. And I'm going to be comparing that to the mic that I have attached to my L12 Zoom live track audio interface. This is the AKG Pro Audio C214. This is what I'm talking on right now. This is a $360 mic. When I bought it with more than that, I bought it probably 4 or 5 years ago. And so we'll go ahead and try that, and we'll see how it sounds compared to this Pyle. This is the Pyle. Okay, so let's face me. Okay, and then okay, let's see. I'll show you me making the transition here. Okay, so this is my audio interface here. And this is the Pyle. So how does that sound? This is the Pyle. I put the filter on there, both of these, and I'll go ahead and compare that to the iMac microphone. Okay, now I'm talking on the iMac microphone. So 1, 2, 3. How's that sound? And then we'll switch that back over to Pyle. And that's how the Pyle sounds. We'll put it closer to me. That's probably too loud, but that's probably a good distance. It looks like it's fine. And 1, 2, 3. Hello. I think it's a pretty good stand and everything here. I like this. Nice, sturdy, strong metal. It's pretty heavy. And then I'll go ahead and transition back over to. Okay, so what I didn't realize was that when I was switching around the Pyle, I was changing my mic aux setting to be the Pyle mic, and because the Pyle didn't show up immediately when I added it, I changed the setting in the mic aux to the Pyle, and then I could tell that it was live, but somehow the Pyle actually showed up under its own input. And so that I had, that's why it sounded like an echo, because it's actually showing up onto both the aux setting and the Pyle itself, and both of those were on. So that's why it was a little echo there before. So now this should sound fine. It's just the Pyle that is active. I think the mic sounds actually very nice. I like it a lot. I think it sounds pretty good. We'll see as I use it for different types of things, and we'll see how it works.